How to change the default SMS messaging receiving app on your Samsung phone with Android 16. To get to the default SMS app settings, use the quick access like this here and tap on this toggle right there. Once you reach here now, go down the list until you see apps. So you're looking for the one that says apps, and it's this one here. Tapping on it one time will take you here, then you'll see choose default apps right here. From here, go down and look for SMS app right there. And as you go in there, you'll probably just see maybe one or two. That's the Samsung or Google one here. Now, if you want to see more like these here, simply just go into the Play Store and type in the word SMS messaging app or messages app and find the one that you think is right for you. If it's compatible with your Samsung phone, it'll most likely appear here. Now, once you decide to go ahead and make a selection, for example, like this here, it'll switch automatically. Some of them may require you to restart your Samsung phone. Go ahead and do that. And of course, if you have too much of them and you don't want them, you can just go into the home settings here and find the app that you don't want. So maybe I don't want this one here. Long press it like this here and select uninstall, and it'll remove it for you. Like and sub.